Hi, this is Deborah Harris bringing you a cash flow tip of the day. And our cash flow tip of the day is about cost of sales or cost of goods sold. And these are the costs in your business that vary up and down depending on how much you sell. They're usually associated with the materials that you input into a product or the labor that you might have to produce that particular product or service. So our cash flow tip of the day is to use your excess stock or warehousing capacity to be a distribution service for others. Now, by this I mean, think of this in terms of the frequently used drop shipping, and drop shipping is where you place an order through a third-party site and they're not actually sending to China for your order. There's a little warehouse somewhere in your local area that has the product already stored and they just send that out from there. So it becomes a distribution service. So you might actually have excess stock that you don't need. You might find that it's cheaper to buy something in bulk, but you know you're not going to get through it, or your best supplier can only give you more than you require, and you may have other people in your area, in your general geographic area, who may need that product as well, and you can offer your services to your supplier to be a drop shipping center for others to take up that product, and that may actually give you an additional cash flow for your excess warehouse capacity. So consider where you can be a distribution service for others. Consider where you might have excess capacity in your warehouse, for example, and use this tip to drive some more revenues for your business. This has been a cost of sales tip and a cash flow lever tip.